Today, guys, we're gonna find out if the V1 Talion is still fun in 2026. Let's go hit some big sins with this Talion.
Alright guys, let's try out the Talion out here. It's a fast place. That was pretty easy. Oh my god, this thing is crazy. Can't tell if the shock's bending or what, but we look low. Maybe we're just the shocks on this thing. I love how this Talion flies. Oh my god. See if we can't bend this chassis. Ah. Oh my god, what a wreck. I think we're good though. Just casually bashing the Talion. Here comes X-Max. That boy flies too, yeah. Something's going out. Could be pinion. Could be pinion, could be diff. It's an Arrma.
Arrma Talion.
That's so good.
X-Max, big boy. On her wheels. That's a good jump. Oh, big tumble.
That's what I'm talking about.
You should see my Mini Max in a minute. I thought we had a stunt competition coming up, so I brought my Mini Max. Oh, it's a 6S.
How do you ever keep it down?
You don't.
Honestly, when it's flipping, I don't know which side which because it's so fast.
Yeah, it looks like a pancake. A black pancake.
It's like the wheels can go either way. So it's like so weird.
I love that bounce.
Oh, you can't tell. Well, that was it.
Ooh, what a nose landing. Good though, good though. You're good though.
Something's broke, but then it's nothing's broke.
That was so violent.
Big boy. Can take it. Get the little Mini Max. Yeah! In the trees. Oh man, that pulled my battery out. Oh yeah. I got you. All right, back at it. Something's clicking, but we'll get it figured out. Big boy. All right, Lou, I want to see a good one. There we go. There we go. He pulled the sledge out. Hope it's just a pinion. That can be fixed. Yeah, baby. Oh! Yeah, baby. Oh! I got that. Oh, man. Right there, bro. No! That's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
It snapped the hub right in half how you landed it.
Hey, but your CVD's straight.
Put that back in the car.
I will slow motion that for you. That was excellent, man. That was crazy. Yeah, that was crazy.
That was awesome.
Oh my God.
Put that back in the car. Get the notorious back out.
M2C tough though, baby. Everything but it. Tumble. You're good. Here, let's go together. Go. I almost landed on you. Yeah. We go until the diff explodes. Oh my God. The sound is getting worse. Oh my God. Did it take that? And landed it though. Gotta be nimble. Oh my God. Talion's doing good, man. Hope y'all are enjoying this. Got the whole crew over here now. I don't know how it's taking this. Yeah! Little backflip wrestler. Or vortex. This Talion's bad, man. Running on this sense controller. Backflip vortex. Yeah, baby. You gotta keep going till the dip blows. Come on, finish off. Just blow. The backflip vortex. Yeah.
And it's tough as nails too, man. Ooh. I should take him to the head before.
A little, almost a tornado to the head. Something. Oh. Ow, the motor's coming loose again. All right. We're gonna have to get the M2C motor mount for this thing. That's the only thing that's going on. Probably roasted the pinion, but good to know what it is. I'll go first.
Yeah.
All right, boys, let's see if the V1 Talion can hang. Can it still hang in 2026? As my power button's falling out. Let's see if the Talion can still hang. Can't tell if that's diff or pinion again. Here comes the sledge. Yeah, baby. Yeah. My power button's just hanging out. From the sledge. Yeah, on the wheels. Yeah. Thing's crazy. I got the thing's clean still. I think that's my pinion. Or could be diff. Come a sledge. Yeah. Battery came a plug. Little flipper. Ah! See if we can get a long one here. Yeah. Man, them choppers sure balloon though. Oh, so close. Watch out, brother. How's it going? Yeah. Notorious. a stampede. Yeah. Return to sender. Nice. It flies pretty good. Heck yeah. My battery, my button hasn't broke off yet. That's crazy. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Man, we needed this ramp for that long jump competition. It's crazy. There you go. Ah. Body delete mod. Little big rock. Woo. I'm on low power mode. I was like, what's going on? Hope y'all enjoy the Talion sins.